take a look at the voter turnaround in every state for now that we are tracking. This is the first phase of the Lok Sabha elections that has already started today. And currently, when it comes to the three constituencies, West Bengal, we'll talk about them as well. But this has been the voter turnaround all across, spread across 102 seats that has been reported on your screens right now. The figures there around 9 a.m. These percentage that has been recorded, that is of Manipur, the two seats where voting currently is taking place. We also talk about the other seats and as well that is Manipur. Let's talk about Assam as well. Assam voter turnout that has been recorded at about 9 a.m. It has gone up to 11.15 figures. That this is the 5 seats in Assam where voting currently is underway. Importantly, when it comes to the 8 seats in Uttar Pradesh, till now the voter percentage figure is around 12.22%. It is expected to go up as when it comes to the day that continues till the time, which would be the last hour of voting that can take place. That is Uttar Pradesh that we are talking about. Let's shift focus now to the other state as well. This is the state as we talk about West Bengal as well. 3 states where 3 seats, I beg your pardon, where voting currently is taking place. The voter turnout for now that has been recorded at about 15.09%. This has been around 9 a.m. according to the ECI. All of the seats there as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, because this will be the first state that will be covered in the Lok Sabha elections in the first phase itself. The voting figures are yet to be announced. We'll get you the voting figures around 9 a.m. What could be the voting figures there? But let's talk about Arunachal Pradesh as well, another state where voting currently is taking place. Remember, this is the biggest phase of voting in the 7 phases. Around 4.96% is the voter turnout, the percentage that has been recorded. Let's talk about Bihar as well. Bihar and all of the seats where voting today is taking place, in 4 of them, the voter turnout is quite low. It's around 9.23%, but it's only 9 a.m. figures that we are getting. Let's also talk about the other states as well. This has been the Bihar factor. Let's also talk about Chhattisgarh, 1 seat there, but however, the voting percentage has been recorded 12.02%. That is till 9 a.m. Udhampur, let's talk about Jammu and Kashmir as well, because one of the seats there that's also going to polls here. It's 10.43%. That has been the voter turnout that has been recorded. That is the state of West Bengal and Jammu and Kashmir, which is the Union Territory. Let's talk about Maharashtra. In the meantime, when it comes to the state and the seats where polling currently is underway, 5 seats, it has been, however, a low voter turnout that has been recorded around 6.98%, almost 7% has been the voter turnout that has been reported. From Maharashtra, let's shift focus now to Nagaland. Nagaland and Mizoram. Mizoram, 1 seat where the voting is underway. That is around 7.79% till 9 a.m. at the voter percentage that has been recorded. We also talk about the state of Rajasthan as well. Voting currently, which is underway since 7 in the morning. We're looking at 12 of the seats, and till now 10.67% is the voter turnout that has been recorded. Madhya Pradesh as well, all the important seats that we are looking at today where voting currently is taking place. Madhya Pradesh, 6 of those seats, around 14.12% is the voter turnout that has been recorded. All of these figures are till 9 a.m. this morning. Uttarakhand, also 5 seats. We're looking at the pictures also that came in of all of the top leaders coming out. They cast their vote. Voter turnout till now that has been recorded is around 10.41%. And this is the situation that we're looking at overall. Of course, the numbers are expected to increase. We'll keep our viewers updated on every hourly wise when the voter percentage is updated by the Election Commission of India. In the meantime, let's talk about West Bengal, because this is the first phase of the Lok Sabha election that has started today. Voting that is currently taking place in at least the 3 of those constituencies in West Bengal, including Cooch Behar, Alipurdwar, and also in Jalpaiguri. We'll get you the details coming in as far as senior leaders are concerned. Manoj Tigga, who is fighting TMC's Prashash Chik, and from the left, who has nominated the Revolutionary Socialist Party leader Mili Aran as the candidate. Cooch Behar, we also talk about the other constituency as well. Union Minister of State for Home Nisit Pramanik is taking on TMC's Jagdish Chandra Barma, and this is the Cooch Behar SC seat that we are talking about. Jalpaiguri constituency, also important, located in the north of Bengal. The Jalpaiguri constituency, which is designated as reserved for the scheduled caste or the SCs.